So next topic in CSS is background color and opacity. So for that I'm creating one file, bgcolor.html, and one more file I'm creating in my folder, bgcolor.css. So in bgcolor.html I'm getting my embed code, and here in body section I'm creating a paragraph. First paragraph, I'll be creating 5 paragraphs. Now here I have created 5 paragraphs. Now we'll see how to change background color and to give opacity to it. So background color is used to give background color to our element, and its opacity gives transparency to background color, and its value ranges from 0.0 to 1.0. 0.0 is almost transparent and 1.0 is totally opaque. So first of all we'll go to bgcolor.css file, and in this I'm giving my paragraph. I'm giving formatting for my paragraph. Here I want that my paragraph background color should be red. So first of all we'll save it, and here in bgcolor.html we are linking that file with our code link rel equals to, within double quotes we have to give style sheet, and here href equals to, within double quotes we have to give bgcolor.css. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that all the paragraphs we have given here have background color red. Now what I want to do is I want to gradually reduce the transparency of these paragraphs. So I'm creating class p.1, and here I'm giving opacity. First of all, here I'm giving opacity 0.8. Now here P is the main. Here we have given P background color to P as red. So P.1 will acquire background color from this, but here its opacity we have reduced to 0.8. Second class, again I'm creating. I'm just copying it. We'll do it 4 times. And here I'm changing the name of class to from 1 to 2. And here I'm giving opacity 0.6. Here the class name is 3, and here the opacity is 0.4, and here I'm making it 0.0, and class name is, we have given 3, here it will be 4. Save it. Now in bgcolor.html we are not going to do anything with first paragraph tag. Here in with second paragraph tag I'm giving class equals to, within double quotes I'm giving 1. Here with second paragraph tag I'm giving class equals to, within double quotes I'm giving 2. That means these paragraph tag will have background color same, that is red, but their opacity will differ according to their classes. 3 will get class mm, sorry, class equals to, within double quotes we have to give 3, and here I'm giving class equals to, within double quotes, 4. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that background color of all the paragraphs are same, even though we haven't mentioned individually in each and every class, because those classes are acquiring background color from P. So, and gradually we can see that our background color is getting transparent. Here we have given opacity 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, and here we have given 0.0. So it is almost equal to transparent. Now, if we want to change the background color of our text, so what we can do here is in bgcolor.css, here I'm giving body, and here I'm changing color to white. Save it and then click on go live. So we can see that the color of text has been changed to white from black.